時間だ。その伝説のアニメはもう来ている。Everyone and shut. About 1 million of people have been waiting for this. なあ、あの音聞こえるでしょ? Everyone calling for it. Chainsawman. Finally, it was here, Chainsawman, the anime that we've been waiting for, I don't know, 2 years or something? 2年前 2年か 2年
What are you two fucking talking about?
Mappa is seriously going at it right now. Really going at it. The thing about this anime here, it's really cool. I read the manga, so if you guys really an anime person, don't read the manga. Actually, oh my god, the font art and the the art, the design. No. Well, how should I say this? The art by Mappa is doing everything. It's just so cool. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. Holy shit. Oh my god. I think I was too exaggerating. Holy shit. でもちょっと待って。Looking at Aki right here, does he look like a Hell for Moving Castle though? うわ、そっくりみたいだ。うわ、そっくり。うわ、マジでやば。It's Hell for Moving Castle. Holy shit. Power is so cute. I can finally see her on the animation right now. このパワーめっちゃ可愛いな。このアニメは will shake the world as it is. Mappa, you son of a bitch family did it. I want to try something. Aki voice acting. How is it look like?
軽い気持ちで仕事するやつは死ぬぜ。生きてるやつはみんな根っこに信念があるやつだけだ。軽い気持ちで仕事するやつは死ぬぜ。生きてるやつは軽い気持ちで仕事するやつは死ぬぜ。軽い気持ちで仕事するやつは死ぬぜ。生きてるやつは根っこに信念があるやつだ。軽い気持ちで仕事するやつは死ぬぜ。生きてるやつは根っこに信念があるやつだ。軽い気持ちで仕事軽い気持ちで仕事するやつらはしなさい。生きてるやつはみんな根っこに信念が軽い気持ちで仕事するやつらはしなさい。生きてるやつはみんな根っこに信念があるやつだけだ。どう十分だろ? It is all depends on those guys who watch this to comment it. I think I'm gonna get busy for simping over that one girl who... Reze. Why I love Reze? Why do I love Reze? That is because... her armpit is just real delicious, that is all. 俺は真面目な変態だな。くそ。もういいんだろ。I would just wanna like